Welcome to another episode of the Billy Rohr Show. And unboxings, I love unboxings, new equipment that I purchase using the money made from my social media accounts. So I take that money, reinvest it into other equipment, see what we can do. If we use it, we use it. If we don't, we don't. But hey, never know when you're gonna come up to a situation where you're gonna need either a light or a different camera. The last video, and you can find the link below, was about the ICANN LED light, OYB 240. I just reviewed that, unboxed it in the last video. This video, the Marantz, or however you want to pronounce it, the PMD-901V body cam. Here it is, people. HD GPS waterproof, 32 gigabyte built-in storage with night vision. Whatever my cameras don't catch, this thing will run for at least 10 hours on the battery life and catch everything. I should never miss another thing on a fire scene or my news chasing. I'll be able to produce more dramatic video, maybe from a person point of view, first point of view, this being on my body somewhere. You've been seeing a lot of YouTube videos of dash cams and body cams from police officers. When they're in certain situations, it is nice to see what actually the person or the police officer is seeing at that time. Here it is. Let's open it up. Nice box, high quality. Kind of flips open right here, and you open it up, and the first two things you see is the battery charger and the camera. What I'm already noticing, people, is the battery charger. It looks like we're just gonna take this camera out of here, and that's my thoughts. When you want to go charge it, the battery is built in. There is no swapping batteries, charging, externally. Just like a portable radio, you're gonna take this and drop it right into its charger, and it'll charge right up. I really like that. I really like when things are self-contained and it's just a plug-in charge like that. Because when I need this, I just pick this up and take off. I don't have to worry about where's the battery, is the battery charged, whatever. But with all these things, keep in mind, you're gonna need a charging station. It's nice to get one table, workbench, whatever, and get all your batteries. What I do is use a white marker, and I will mark you don't need anything fancy, printing out labels and whatnot. A white paint marker, and I just put the brand and the model number on the side here somewhere, as I do with all my equipment, so I can, like this. This is to that LED light. I will have no clue where this goes. It never has the name or the model number. So with a white marker, a white paint marker, I will just write down here, ICANN, and that's it. I know this is the ICANN charger for my light. Anyway, this thing is really, really nice. Let's get to the rest of the unboxing, because there is more equipment inside that box, and then we'll get to this. But so far, 2 minutes out of the box, I am really impressed with the quality, build, and weight of this thing. It's gonna be nice. Okay, so you've seen we pulled a few things out of the box. A battery charger, no external batteries. All you do is put this right inside there and it will start charging. 32 gigabytes of full storage inside this to last up to 10 hours of recording time. An external camera, this is 720p by 30, I believe. Connects to an AV port on the side of the camera on the main unit here. We will show you that. Cord looks like you could actually put this onto use it as a lapel mic camera. move it around, put it somewhere else on your body, put this down on your belt, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how this, where I would even use this. But it's awesome to have this as an additional camera, because you never know when you're going to need something like this. You got your USB cord plugged directly into a computer. Will also charge the unit, and when you do connect the camera to the computer, this will come up as a mass storage device, and in there you'll find all your clips. AC power adapter, the car adapter, which is awesome for you guys always out on the road. It comes with a car adapter. This plugs directly into the back of the unit also. All this included in this box, and of course there's the picture with the external camera already connected. And that's all that was in that box. Real nice high quality box. Opens up like a book, and there you have it. Let's go over some of the buttons on this thing. First and foremost is your power button, located on the top of the unit. If we come down here to the side of the unit, we have your star, which if there's an important clip that you need to mark as important and it will save it, you just hit that star button. The next button is your microphone button, which is for audio on and off. Your camera button, if you want to snap a picture, and your video button for turning audio, video recording on and off. A quick set, as soon as you turn on the power button, this will start recording. I believe you have to manually set that, or it could be default in the menu settings. On the back of the unit, you have your playback buttons. You have an OK button. OK will be the OK function in your menus, and also pressing this and holding it will turn off a laser pointer. The laser pointer is in the top face of the camera. Also on the top is your light button. There is a strobe light and a flashlight located on the corner of the face of the camera. Hitting that will provide functions for the strobe and the flashlight. Down on the left side of the unit, USB connection, your HDMI connection, and your AV input, and the headset input if you're going to use a headset on the unit. And also that's where you're going to plug in the external camera and the AV input. That's also located under there, and that would plug in right there. You will also get HD quality out of this, 2304 by 1296 at 30 frames per second.
Recording started.
Okay, as soon as I turn it on, it is default. It'll automatically start recording. So that is what's happening right now. As soon as I turn it on, automatically starts recording. It's in 1280 by 720 p30. I don't know, let's see what else it says on here. It has the date and time. The time is exactly right, and the date out of the box. So this thing, as soon as I turn it on out of the box, was ready to go. I turn it on, starts recording. Mount it on your body somewhere, and you can record up to 10 hours of your activity in the day. So also has night vision. To turn the light on, you just hit the light button on the front. The infrareds came on, and the flashlight also turned on after that. You can see the infrared lights are still on. That's for night vision recording. That is going to be truly great feature for when you're chasing news and fire department activity in the dark. You can also, inside the menu, with the light sensor, one of these is the light sensor. I believe it's this one. The light sensor, you can activate the night vision automatically when it's dark enough You have to manually set that in the menu. There you go. 2 taps, hold it down, everything shut off on the front of the unit. Actually, my recording stopped too, so.
Okay, as soon as I turn it on, it is default. It'll automatically start recording. So that is what's happening right now. As soon as I turn it on, automatically starts recording. It's in 1280 by 720p.
It has a good speaker built into it also. I am really impressed. I'm gonna get some footage. It's storming right now. Later tonight we'll go out, we'll get night vision footage, and I'll put it all into this video. You can see exactly how this footage looks on my video here on YouTube.
Mount it on your body somewhere.
Okay, let's test the volume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's what it sounds like with me talking. I just have it clipped into my shirt. Might be a little wobbly. Leave the gas station, we'll see what happens. Let's see if they come on. Yeah, they're on. So I didn't realize that the night vision was still on. I just looked down there at it. So, alrighty.